Welcome to second part of creating waterfall chart in Excel. In previous video, we have briefly understood what waterfall chart is, how to read or interpret it, where this chart can be used. So let us now see in this video how we can create this chart in Excel using inbuilt charts. Here is our dummy dataset for movement of a stock for a single month of January 2019. Before you create this chart in Excel, you need to make sure following things. All the dataset is documented in vertical sequence in start to end. So opening stock is at the top and closing stock is at the end. Negative numbers have been displayed with a minus sign like this. At a time, this chart can show only information for a one period only. If you want to show information for multiple periods, then you need to stack your dataset one below another. Like here it is only for January 19. If you want to show for February 19, we'll have to put the dataset below this for January 19. So with that, let us get started with our sample dataset and let us create a waterfall chart for this stock. So let me select starting from opening stock till the closing stock, then go to insert, then go to this waterfall chart and let us click on this. Here you can see that we have created this chart using inbuilt one. So let us now customize this chart so that it looks proper. So let us first format the height and width. So width can be 8 and this can be 4. So it looks proper to me. So let me minimize this. Now let us delete this. We don't want this to be displayed. Even the horizontal lines will select and delete that. Now let us select increase this legend and let us click on increase one more time so that only a single legend is being selected. Then right click, go to increase. Let us select this color, blue color. Then let us go to decrease. Then let us change this to red color. And now for totals, let us select this and let us put this in a gray color. And let us click on chart one more time. Now opening stock and closing stock should be displayed in gray color. So let us click on opening stock once and one more time so that only opening stock is being selected. Then right click and click set as a total. Similar way, click on closing stock and then right click and set as a total. Now let us click on this chart so that this chart get displayed properly. Now let us click on this x-axis. Let us press Ctrl 1. Then let us go to lines and then no line. Now right click on this x-axis, add measure lines. Let us select this measure lines as well and quickly format them. So this will be in gray color and this will be in dashed line so that it looks proper to me. Now let us select this entire chart, go to format and no shape outline we will be selecting up. Chart title also we don't want since we won't have that much formatting options available with inbuilt chart title. We are deleting it. Now we will be inserting our shape text box. So let us add this text box. Now here you can see that. So let me format this properly. Now let us select Jan, right click. Let us increase this to 14. Let us change the color to blue. We can make it bold as well. And for other ones, we'll select middle and let us decrease the font size so that it looks proper. Now let us change outline for this one also. It will be none. So now here you can see that we were able to create our waterfall chart for a single month. Now in next video, we'll be looking at how do we can create the waterfall chart for multiple months dataset. And we will also see drop down using data validation, how we can change this presentation automatically. So that is it from my side guys. See you guys in next video.